I was gifted this blender container rinser, and here's a closer look for you. So it's designed to quickly rinse out blender containers, cups, pitchers, especially larger smoothie blenders. It comes with the rinser unit itself and the connection fittings to hook it up to your water source. Using it is very simple. You just place the blender container upside down on the rinser, press down, and the water sprays up inside, reaching all the corners and under the blades. The spray only runs when you press down, so you're not wasting water. That said, you do need to make sure it fits your sink setup. Unfortunately, it didn't fit mine, which is something to double check before ordering. But if it does fit your sink, it would wash smoothie blenders in just a few seconds. No scrubbing, no soaking, very quick. I can see this being perfect for smoothie shops, coffee bars, or anywhere that's constantly cleaning blender jars throughout the day. It's a simple tool, but in a busy setting, it could save a lot of time and effort.